Two successive league wins coming into tonight's game against the Buccaneers. Sebelebele. Oh, that's goal bound! League goal. Adds to his first cup goal in the Pirates' colours, scored on Saturday.
Started the move there, one touch to set it up, and went for the opposite corner there. Brilliant technique with the laces followed through, and top bins from Sebelebele.
Stellenbosch, to be fair, gave him a bit of space. Sage Stevens made a gallant effort to get a touch to it, but that was from the moment he... Maybe a Sihle Ndule or an Mbata back there at the bottom of his arm. Sebelebele back again to Apollos. Mahopa. Sebelebele with... Well, looks like they're just going to play with three at the back, because Sebelebele is certainly not being restricted in his forward movement. He finds Ndaka down the line. They'll be looking here for Titus. Jabbar gets the free kick. This formation, tactical stuff.
Certainly haven't seen a normal Stellenbosch. Take nothing away from Orlando Pirates.
Stanic will find Ndaka. Titus. Sebelebele tripped by Jabbar.
He's bursting with confidence there, Jabbar. Just
once for Ndaka, playing it short to Jabbar. Dooley comes across. Settle for the throw-in will Stellenbosch. Picked up here by Sebelebele, and Mahopa coming to the near post. This is a season for him to make his name again. He was very good in the first campaign he had in South African football. Here's Sebelebele. Mahopa. System. Here's Kamogelo showing some pace, but look at the defensive work from Sebelebele.
he can defend.
Did so well there, getting in front of Kamogelo.
Great awareness.
Cup action. Little flick on there from the big frame of Stanic. His teammates these days. Sebelebele looking for number two.
Yeah, the pacey Sebelebele. Shumid from the right, shot to the left.
See that too often in the domestic. Yes, Peely. I showed too much, Peely. Needed to play there.
Well to evade that challenge.